So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can extend your display in your MacBook. So if you're a new user and you don't know how to extend the display, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So first of all, just go ahead and open the system settings. And once you're in there, just go ahead and search for display right here. Once you tap there, you'll see many options like brightness, automatically adjust brightness, true tone, color profile, advanced, night shift, and this help button. You just need to go ahead and tap on advanced. And once you're there, you'll see options like link to Mac or iPad. So guys, this is where it's going to help you. So it says that automatically reconnect to any nearby Mac or iPad. If you turn this on and you have a different device, then you'll be able to extend your display and use them simultaneously. You can also allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad, and in that way too, you'll be able to connect both of them. There's also a different method. It says that you can allow the pointer to connect to a nearby Mac or iPad by pushing against the edge of a display. So if you're pushing against the edge of a display, then that will help you connect it to a different device and extend the display altogether. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you extend your display in your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.